Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to channel for all you must know about online platform. I am Joseph, and today we are diving into a new platform, Adlink.com, on how to create an account successfully and start making money. Stick around as I walk you through the step-by-step procedure. This platform has been since 2023 and is still paying. Okay, before you log into this account, you have to create an account. Okay, so I will walk you through the step-by-step processes. So this is the sign up page. So before you sign up, you need to have a phone number. First of all, you input your phone number. For instance, is 081, stuff like this. You input your phone number, you input your WhatsApp number. In this column, you input your nickname. Any name you choose, like you input it. It doesn't select name. You put your password, you confirm it, and when you are done, you click on register. And please mind you, before creating an account on this platform, avoid using one device to create two accounts because your account will be banned. Okay, so don't use one device to create multiple accounts. Please take note of this. So if I don't create an account, okay, let me show something. Come to your phone, click on this top dot. These three dots is copy up here. So when you click on it on your phone, they will show something like add this to your home page. Okay, they are showing open Adlink. Okay, but for you they will show add link to your home page. Then you click on it, you install it. So after installing the app, you have to log in. So this is my home page. I've logged in my account now. This is my home page. So after logging in, the first thing you have to do is to read the terms, and this is the announcement. You scroll it, you read it. If you're comfortable with it, good. If you're not comfortable with it, you still move on. So before you start making money on this platform, you have to deposit. So first of all, you go under this hosting. If you go under the hosting, you can see quality, home CDN, company CDN. Under the quality, you can see the amount there. You can see $20, recharge, join crowdfunding. Under the home, you can also see the price tags there. Okay, so you just select the one that suits you. I don't know how much is your budget. Select the one that suits you. You can also go under the company. You see something like $300 to be earning $6 daily. Okay, you can see the daily earning. Would you have the crowdfunding price and the daily interest income? Okay, fixed dividend 6 months period. Crowdfunding organizer Adlink, crowdfunding quantity 50k. Okay, so you click on the recharge. Where you click on the bank, then this is the amount you wish to deposit. So you click on the recharge now button. So it will direct you to a third-party website where you have to make the payment. And after making the payment, make sure you screenshot it, like the payment record, and you upload it here. That is all. They will upload it automatically, and it will reflect on your dashboard. Okay, so that is all for the deposit. So deposit or recharge is the same thing. So after deposit, the next thing is how to earn on the platform. You come under the award section, under the dashboard. You come under the award, and you can see something like continuous checking collar. So under the continuous checking collar, that means every day you'll be coming here to be claiming your $0.01 every day. You come here and claim it. This one is extra bonus. Okay, it's important that you claim it. It's not mandatory, but it's important. So after this, you come under the home where you have seen no machine. You see something like mine. So you have to click on it. Every 24 hours, you'll be mining your machine for it to make the money for you. Okay, so every 20, if you mine today, which is, let me say, if you mine 12 o'clock noon, tomorrow the same time you still mine it, because every 24 hours. You might choose to set an alarm so that whenever the time lapses, the alarm will remind you. Okay, so please take note of this. Your mining is daily, is every 24 hours you have to mine. Okay, so the next thing is the referral. If you wish to refer people to the platform, you come under the team section, and that is where you can see your referral link. You copy it, you send it to them, they sign up, boom, they deposit, then they start making same money. in which you're also making. Okay, so after referral, the last thing on our list, the last but not the least, which is the withdrawal. You come here, you fill out the withdrawal processes, then you're able to withdraw your money. Okay, so if you wish to register on this platform, you can click the link down in my description below to register and have your bonus. Okay, so if you are interested in registering, click on the link in my description down below. This is it for today's video. If you found value in the video, kindly comment below to help grow the algorithm. For more tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for weekly videos. This I am Joseph, reminding you to stay safe, smart and secure online. See you next time.